Hey everybody! So today I wanted to take a quick look at this cute little label maker that I ended up getting to help with organization. So I did another video that'll come out straight after this one. I'll probably post them up at the same time, going through how to use it and how to download the app and create labels and stuff. So in this one I just wanted to show you the unit and show you some labels that I've used it for, just so you can see if you would like to get one for yourself. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. I've already unboxed it, but it did come in a little plastic sleeve, as well as it has a little cord here that was in this spot. I just put a bread label on here to label it. Obviously, I'm going to get some tape and use my little NIIMBOT D11 to create a label for it. But this is my old school way of keeping track of cords, which has worked really well, but they do actually come off every now and then, and they're kind of hard to wrap up because they're not flexible. But anyway, that is one of the reasons that I wanted to get this, so I could create little labels for that, and you can get tape that folds over, so it's kind of cool. I also got a couple of tapes. This is what they come in. They come in these little boxes here. If it's the genuine NIIMBOT brand, they have these little things on here. I have ordered a couple on AliExpress. They haven't gotten here yet, but they are considerably cheaper, so I'm not sure if they're going to come in these boxes, but we'll see. I'll probably do a quick update or a short or something saying whether they worked or not. But for now, I've just got them in these little bags that I got from Daiso, because I think they do have a lifetime to them because they're heat sensitive, so I wanted to keep them protected. So I've got them in these little bags, and I'm keeping them away from light and heat. So those ones there, and then the one that it ships with is just this white one here, which is 12 millimeters by 40 millimeters, and this label is a really great size. For starters, I have put it on my little ink sample boxes here. These are actually bullet cases, but they fit these ink samples perfectly. I think I discovered these on the Ink Journal site, where you can get a ink flight and they'll put a couple of samples in here, but it's a really handy little container for storing your ink samples. They stay in there nice and tight. But I have noticed that sometimes I'll get ink on these labels and they'll, come off, so I've been taping them on. But this label maker is amazing. It fits it perfectly. It has a little space here, which I really love, so you can actually see how much ink is left. It's really hard when the label is all the way around or is down the bottom, so you can't really see what's going on. And having it up the top is nice because when you put it in a holder, it doesn't interfere with the label and get stuck on there. So this one, or my little polar bear and cat ones, so when you put this in here you can still see the label up here. So that is another use for these labels. They're great. Again, that's the 12 by 40 millimeter labels. And then they have these other two labels that I got are this little bubble label, and it has a bunch of different colors on it. It's super cute. Let me open that up for you. So this one has a couple of different colors and different ways that the speech bubbles are going. So it makes it a little more difficult when you're printing because you have to align each label. You can't just say print 5 of these, because the arrow on the bottom or on the side adjusts how things are aligned. Sorry, it keeps going blurry focus on the label. So that's really cute, but they have tons of different designs on there. This one I think is 14 millimeters by 40. I think the biggest label you can get is 15 millimeters by 50. So I'm really excited to create a bunch of labels using this. I thought I would just show you guys if you're interested in getting a label machine. I don't have any other ones. I've heard the Brother label machine is really good, but it was a little out of my budget, and this one was just much cheaper. It actually had a coupon for, it was reduced in price, and then it had a coupon for 20%, and then these were 50% off if you bundled it in together. I'll put all the links in the description so you guys can check it out. I'm not sure if the sale is still going on, but it's really great. You just charge it with a USB. Let me turn it on and we can see. So it has this cute little thing, and then on your phone you just download this app and it will, sometimes it automatically connects, but yeah, so it's connecting now, and you can actually create labels and save them in here. So right now I have a catalog of labels that I've created. I've got inks in here. So what I did is I just created labels for each of the brands, and then if I get a new one that I need a label for, or if I'm mixing inks together, the colors, then I can just click on here and edit that top text to whatever the ink is called, and I don't have to rewrite that again. So it does allow you, the app is, I think, is pretty easy to use, and it does allow you to create an account and save labels for use in the future, or you can just do one-offs and print it and not bother saving it. So I think it's a really cool little thing. I will keep you guys updated if anything goes drastically wrong, but I think it's pretty good value for what I've used it for so far. I'm going to go ahead and make some for my palettes, because I have some little different themed palettes, and I think this would be cool to do that. And you can put little icons in there. They have a collection of icons, but you can also create them yourself and upload them. You can scan a black and white logo and put it up there. So yeah, I think it's pretty flexible. The quality, just let me give you a close-up of the quality. It's like every sort of thermal printer, it kind of has that slightly pixelated look, and there's nothing you can really do about that, but I think it's perfectly adequate for labels around your house. And you can also print barcodes or QR codes with it as well. So yeah, pretty cool. Anyway, that's all I wanted to show you guys. I'm going to post the how-to guide after this, so I will link that in the description and maybe a card up here, and I'll put it at the end of the video. And if you found this helpful, give me a like. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.